you want on it, then I will know.
Is your internet tower still down?
I haven't even turned the internet on now yet.
Why?
Let's see if it's working. Let me see. I'll be right with you, okay?
Okay.
What did you want on the poster?
If it isn't that metal one, yeah, that thing's terrible.
Cover yourself. Hi, Phil. How are you? Welcome back. How are you?
Good, I'm here. Thanks.
These cost money?
Yeah, $20 each. No, they're free.
Okay. Is your Wi-Fi going to be on today?
I don't know.
Are you guys going to turn it on?
And so I do not know the answer to that.
Okay.
I mean, she might know.
Do you work here?
Yeah, well,
Okay.
I'm only here 1 day a week.
Okay.
So, yeah. Get my badge on.
I was just seeing if we're going to have Wi-Fi today.
Yeah, I don't know. This town is kind of crazy, so.
Used to work really good before I hung out.
This summer's been crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on.
I don't know what's going on. It's a nice looking bear you got.
I know, right?
Okay, hi.
Thank you.
Okay. She said thank you.
Oh, sure.
I can tell you.
Well, it used to work really good.
Let me see.
It's like they don't want me on the Wi-Fi too much in this town, or something. The library works sometimes.
Yeah.
Well, let's see how it's working today.
Yeah. I filed something at the police station yesterday to see if we can get a lawsuit going on it or something. I'm asking, yeah, because it says free public Wi-Fi, and if I can't get it and other people can, it looks really strange.
Well, it's on.
Okay.
It's working.
Does it work outside?
Yeah, you know.
It used to work clear over there, now it doesn't do hardly nothing anymore.
Well, it should.
Yeah, okay, well,
Is it
thank
not
you.
working for you there?
Well, you just said you just turned it on, so.
Well, no, it was already on. We never turned it off, but I just haven't turned my computers on and they've not been working yet today.
Okay.
It's slow. Do you see how it's going around and around?
Yeah. So what does that mean it won't work today?
Oh, it still probably will. It's just intermittent. And
So,
slow,
yeah.
unfortunately. This is an ongoing issue.
Yeah, I've been noticing that.
But it's all the time.
I've been on the phone with the FBI Omaha telling them about this other things, but yeah, it's really been troublesome to load my information. It's really getting very hard.
Hey, well, if somebody can do something about it, that would be great.
Well, I'm at least complaining about it.
it.
I'm at least complaining about it. So yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, have a good one.
Yeah, it's probably not going to go American, so. That flag's getting dirty as hell in this state. Real dirty. FBI can't come on the phone anymore. They never can. They quit sometimes after visiting with me. At least Doug Shores did. They can't even claim the name. It's a really wild day.